day, it's payday. Swipe my card and I do it, baby. You talking to a lady, I wanna Kanye, baby. So that's enough, no. I'ma make that in music, but this combo be like Drake, ayy. I already know what you're trying to say. Say that you a baller and I say you wanna holler, but that ain't how it's cut up. Next time, you all the money, cause it's what my mama told me. Show your ass back, show me some respect. Boss, Michelle, so happy getting no $1. Boss, Michelle, so happy getting no $1. Michelle, so happy getting no $1. O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T, that's me, I'm confident. Don't you compliment, use common sense. I'm a mama shell, Obama. Shut your mouth, boy, I think you know who run this house. I ain't thirsting for no bae, cause I already know what you're trying to say. You say that you a caller and I see you trying to holler, but that ain't how it's cut up. Next time, you all the money, cause it's what my mama told me. Show your ass down, show me some respect. Boss, Michelle Obama.